Today's video is going to show you how to do an updo that is a low messy bun with a braid incorporated. This is perfect for brides, bridesmaids and anybody going on a night out. It's an extremely versatile hairstyle. You can also achieve this look on medium and longer hair, but this has been created on a lob length, so keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Claire of Harry John Hair, Makeup and Trainer, and this is my tutorial for a low messy bun. It shows you how to easily incorporate braids and how to make hair look fuller without looking too flat. And you can also recreate this style on medium and longer length hair, so it's an extremely versatile style to have in your portfolio. If you're working with longer lengths, it's exactly the same principle, so just follow the same steps. Everything gets pinned into place at the end. And I have popped in the comments a couple of other links to some other videos that you might find useful where you can incorporate hair extensions. So if someone has clipping neck hair extensions, so you can take this style so much further. I haven't left too much out around the face to frame it on this particular style, but if you would like to, it's just leave out whatever feels comfortable for your client or for yourself. If you're looking for more tips and techniques on hair and makeup or looking for a career as an artist, then hit subscribe and the bell to be notified for future videos. You can also follow me on Instagram here and come and tag me, hashtag me in any of the pictures that you recreate. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found that useful. Please leave me a message in the comments if you found this useful, and let me know if there's any other styles you would like to see. Remember to hit subscribe and the bell to be notified for more videos, because I'm releasing similar videos to this every Monday at 8 p.m. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.